Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be drawing a donut in 2-point perspective. Start with the horizon line and mark the center. Draw your center line perpendicular to the horizon. Mark 1 inch down and 7 inches down. Connect your points to the vanishing points. Find the center of this panel using the cross section. Extend lines from the vanishing point through the center point of your panel. Mark your panel where the new vanishing lines intersect. Connect these points with curves to create a circle inside a square in 2-point perspective. Draw a curved line from the center point, matching the curve of the ellipse above it. Extend an ellipse from the top curve and make sure that the distance of the front two lines is bigger than the distance of the back two lines. Erase lines inside of the ellipses. Erase these lines. Connect the outer ellipse and inner ellipse. Now we're going to draw curved lines that support the illusion of a cylindrical donut. If you could see the inside of the donut, you would see these cross sections forming ellipses near the center line and circles on the outer diameter. Now draw extra rings around the donut. Try and keep the rings evenly spaced. You can use crossing lines and grids to show volume instead of shading and value. Thanks for drawing with me, and I'll see you in the next video.